Hello Aries, welcome back to my channel and this is your first week's reading for the new month of July. This is exclusive love plus career reading. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you are coming back again, thank you and welcome back. If you would like to know more about the personal readings, the rituals, the counseling sessions and various other services, I will be giving a brief in the end. So please stay tuned. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. We will start with your career. You've got the Three of Spades and the Seven of Suns. Now look at that. I do see that there's a struggle. There is a delay. Okay. You're applying for a job, maybe not getting the right offer, waiting for a promotion. It's not happening. Waiting for client deal to crack, more customers to come, business to grow at a speed that you want to. Maybe it's not happening as yet. The cards are telling me that this is not the time to expect results, but to form the base, right? Work hard. It is like a mountain for you. You have to climb that mountain, okay? If you are preparing for an exam, if you are applying for a job, if you're waiting for a promotion or waiting for some sort of growth in your business, please do not give up. Do not end here because you're very close to this peak. This is a mountain, you're very, very close. Okay. Success is just around the corner. So do not give up. This is a time to work hard, continue to work hard, and in the first week of July, probably you will get some good news. You will automatically see that you're very close to that success of yours. So this is a time to continue. Success is very close. Success is just beginning to develop. Okay. If you give up, then you will lose on everything, all those efforts over the months and years. So please stay put. Now let's see what's happening in your love life or personal life. You've got the Four of Spades and the Hermit card. You have a very giving and kind energy. You have been very generous with your love and with your friendships, with your relationships, right? You have been very giving, kind, and maybe you lend money to your friends also, or maybe you trusted your partner a little too much. Some sort of truth is coming. I don't know what. I don't know what your situation is. I don't know if it's a friend who's a snake or a frenemy, or I don't know it's a relationship or partner. I don't know what, but some sort of truth is coming your way which will make you isolate yourself, which will make you cut people off, and which will also make you change your decision. If you have been planning to get married to somebody, now I don't think you're going to. If you have been trusting your friends a little too much, now I don't think you're going to. There is a sort of truth which is going to come out. Maybe somebody played you really bad. Maybe somebody, your own friends, played you really bad. Or maybe you already made a decision on the basis of what your friends were saying. Or maybe you trusted your partner a little too much, but they all along you realized that they were just playing you, or they were just having extramarital, or they were just after your money and not really into you. Anything of that sort is coming to the light. Somebody was playing you, that truth will come to light, and that will really, really affect your decisions. You're going to make an important decision this week, probably to cut people off, probably to change, probably to, if you've already done something, to undo it. You will be doing something. So this is a card of caution that this week you have to be really, really careful on who you trust. So please, this week, nobody is your friend, nobody is your partner, nobody is no. Okay, just no. This week, I don't think you should trust anyone but your intuition. I do see you going within. The Hermit card asks you that if you have to make a choice in your love life, in your relationships, in your personal life, or any other area of your life, please do not ask people. Please do not rely on other people, because the people around you could be giving you the wrong advice or misguiding you for their own selfish reasons, right? You are too trusting, you are too generous, but this week you have to be cautious. This week, just follow your intuition. If ever you feel stuck, no matter who's saying what, if your intuition feels that this person is lying to you, if your intuition is saying that this person wronged you, stay away. Okay? Cut people off. Listen to yourself if you have an important decision to make, because this way you will be saved. So please follow this advice. This will really help you this week. Do not trust people. Okay? And in your work, you know what to do. Continue to work hard. Do not give up. just around the corner. So this was your weekly reading. It is a bit challenging. It is a bit tough week for you, but yes, in the end, everything will go well if you follow the advice. If you guys resonated with this reading, please do like, share, subscribe my channel. If you have any particular questions on your mind which was not covered in this general reading, you can always book a personal reading with me. I have various service available. You can check out the description box. From packages to rituals to spiritual counseling sessions, I do a lot of stuff. I have audio video sessions available as well. And to book any kind of session, you can either email me at asasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot, if you have one. And yes, please guys also follow me on Instagram because I post all the details that I'm telling you here on a daily basis. Like what is exactly Oracle Love Reading, right? So if you read the services, what kind of services they are, what are the prices, what are the different range of prices. My services start from 170 rupees. They are available in thousands also, so you can choose according to your budget. Every service has a cheaper version and an expensive version depending upon what you choose. So you can choose according to your own budget. When am I coming live? When is the new video coming? When is the new service being launched? You know, all these details. If you want to stay updated about my channel, please do follow me on Instagram. So this was your weekly reading. I hope you guys resonated with it and I hope these advice will help you. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I'm going to see you very soon. Take care of yourself and bye bye.